If your credit score is stuck, credit utilization might be the reason. And most people don't understand it. In the US, credit utilization makes up 30% of your entire credit score. That's huge. Let me explain this simply. Credit utilization means how much of your credit limit you are using. If your credit card limit is $1,000 and you spend $500, your utilization is 50%. And that's too high. Here's the golden rule. Keep your utilization under 30%. For faster credit growth, keep it under 10%. The lower it is, the better your score reacts. But here's what most people get wrong. They think paying before the due date is enough. It's not. What matters is your balance on the statement closing date. That's what gets reported to credit bureaus. If your balance is high on that date, your score can drop even if you pay later. Here's a smart move. Pay your balance before the statement closes. Not just before the due date. This keeps your reported balance low. And lower utilization means higher credit score. Another smart trick. If possible, ask for a credit limit increase. Higher limit plus same spending equals lower utilization. Simple math. Let's recap. Credit utilization equals how much of your limit you use. Keep it under 30%. Under 10% is even better. Pay before statement closing date. And increase your limit strategically. Control this one factor, and your credit score can move much faster. Not complicated. Just smart credit behavior. If you want simple strategies to build strong credit in the US, subscribe to Cash Logic. Your credit score should work for you, not against you.